With the AD Pro Toolkit, you can bulk modify Active Directory group properties. So for example, if you need to add an email address, add a description, update the extension attribute, add proxy addresses to multiple groups, you can do that with the AD Toolkit. So come into Group Management, download the template, and then fill out SAM account name is the name of the group you want to update, and then you just add in the attributes that you want to update. So for this example, I'm going to update 10 groups. I'll add a description. I'm going to set a manager. I'm going to set an email address, and then I'm going to remove these 3 columns that are included in the template. I'm not going to update those, but I want to add a new attribute to update. So I'll come into group here, and I want to add an extension attribute. So again, you just find whatever attribute that you want to update and grab the name of it, extension attribute 1. I'm going to add this to my template and then just put in whatever value that you want for that attribute. So I'll save this, and then I'll come into the toolkit. I'll select my template, click run, and it's going to bulk update all of those groups. So select my template, click run. Now it's going to go through that CSV file and update all the groups based off the information in that. So I refresh this within, just 10-20 seconds, I easily updated 10 groups. So if I come in here, you see I've added an email address, add a description. If I come into attribute editor, go to extension attribute, you'll see I put 1, 2, 3 in there. And I'll just check another group. Attribute editor, extension attribute 1, 2, 3. So that's it. Very easy to, if you need to make bulk modifications to groups, you can do that with the AD Pro Toolkit. You can download the template, or you can use some of our reports to export a list of groups. So for example, I could come into group reports, all groups, and I could browse. So maybe I needed to update the groups from an OU. I'll click demo, click run. So now I've got a list of all the groups. So you can see here the extension attribute updated. So maybe I need to add extension attribute 2. I could export this and then save it and use it. Just for example, export to CSV. I can then use this as a way to start my template. So now I can just delete some stuff I don't need, but you can see here it includes the extension attributes. I can add my values. Then I can save this and come back into the group management tool and run it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.